Hello guys, welcome to Get Glimpse channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with OpenShot Video Editor. This is a free beginner-friendly tool for editing videos on Windows, Mac or Linux. Just go to your favorite browser and type OpenShot Video Editor. Click on the first official link and choose your device, then click download. Now, once you are done downloading it, just follow the simple steps of installing it to your PC and now go ahead and open it. Once you launch OpenShot, you will see a clean interface with a timeline at the bottom and panels on the sides. To start your project, you can either click the import files button or just drag and drop your video, audio or image files straight into the project files panel or directly onto the timeline. Now, let's talk about the timeline. This is where all your editing happens. You can drag your clips around, then trim them by pulling the edges, or even split them by placing the marker and pressing the S key. Need more tracks? No problem. Just click the arrow next to the track numbers to add or rename them. Want to separate audio from your video? Just right click on the clip and choose separate audio. This is super helpful if you want to mute, delete or adjust your audio separately from the video. For more advanced edits, right click a clip and go to properties. From here, you can change opacity, scale, position, rotation, and even audio volume. You can also do some of these adjustments directly on the preview window by clicking and dragging. Now, let's say you want to add text. This is easy. Go to the title tab, click on title, pick a template, customize the font, size, colors, and background. Once it's ready, drag it from your project files onto the timeline, just like any clip. Want to add smooth transitions between clips? You can right click a clip and go to fade, slowly adjust volume or opacity. Or open the transitions panel, drag the effect you want onto the timeline, and even trim or reserve it as needed. If you notice the playback is lagging, here's a tip. Go to choose profile in the top left and lower the resolution or frame rate. This helps OpenShot run smoother, especially on slower computers. Once your editing is complete, it's time to export. Click on Export Video, set your file name, choose where to save it, pick a format like MP4, and select your resolution and quality. If you need more control, head to the Advanced tab. You can tweak frame ranges or even export video and audio separately. And don't worry, OpenShot never adds watermarks. Before you close, don't forget to save your project by going to File, Save Project As. This saves it as a .osp file so you can come back and edit it anytime. And you are finished. That's the basics of using OpenShot for video editing. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.